Good morning, this is Blue. And here are Kyle and I in Woodstock, ready to start the Woodstock to Centreville or bust hike. This is a 2-day affair.
Also known as the Border Patrol.
Excellent, good. And it's we're in Carleton County and it's hunting season, so we're wearing orange. And it's 43.8 kilometers from wherever the official start is, which is what, do you think?
We're starting here.
We're starting here, but there's when I measured it,
you went from probably the Welcome to Woodstock sign on Main Street.
Oh, fair enough. So we'll do another video there. So we'll see us further ahead. Oh, it's November 1st, by the way. Yeah. Hey, starting November off right with an overnight hike.
Yes, that's very true.
So Kyle surprised me here. We're actually going through his backyard here. I thought we were going to walk on the road. So I always love a good mystery. Ooh. So we've been cruising here through Woodstock along the railway bed now, and we're paralleling the Meduxnekeag River. Look at the sawdust here, that's interesting. And then there's the head pond for the Meduxnekeag, and now the other side of Woodstock there. And we'll continue on. Okay, this is pretty neat. We're going through the bedrock here, a cutting for the old railway. And if you look up ahead, you can see the Trans-Canada Highway, which we'll pass under. And here we have the Highway 2, the Trans-Canada Highway. Here it is, folks. This is my official unveiling of my new GoPro Hero 9 with all the accessories. You see I got the main unit, I got the media mod. I got the media mod comes with this, thing, the sound buffer thing. I got the light mod, and I got the extra screen, although there's a screen here so you can see yourself. Isn't that cool? And the back there, you see got a screen there as well. And here's the box it came with, and I got 2 extra batteries, and I've got my batteries there so I could charge up my phone. And there's my lamp, and here are the only tool you ever need, and my phone, which I take my pictures with. So there you are, there's all my electronics, and it all fits in there, kind of. And I'm also using my old GoPro to make this film. So there you go. Thank you very much. We did not expect this. Rain. What's that? What did it say?
You gotta dance. Dancing in the rain. This is like coming behind me. I don't know.
Go.
Yeah, it's fresh.
Wow. Hi everybody. This is my first test of my new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Yes. There it is. There it is. So I press this button and we have dueling cameras. Isn't that cool? So basically I'll just go over what this is. This is a railway bed hike from Woodstock to Centreville. And how far is it?
143 kilometers.
43 kilometers. So we think we've done about I don't know, a quarter of it. So, and this is really cool. Like you got these cuttings. We didn't have these on previous railway trails. So this is very exciting. I'm gonna turn the camera 1 off. And we have dueling cameras. Isn't that cool? So basically, I'll just go over what this is. This is a railway bed hike from Woodstock to Centreville. And how far is it?
143 kilometers.
43 kilometers. So we think we've done about I don't know, a quarter of it. So, and this is really cool. Like you got these cuttings. We didn't have these on previous railway trails. So this is very exciting. I'm gonna turn camera 1 off now. And we'll just work with camera 2. So yeah, we'll keep you posted on how things are going and everything like that. And his GoPro, his Hero 8, he didn't charge his battery. So later.
Auf Wiedersehen.
So this is the first road we've hit since we crossed under the Trans-Canada. And over here we got, look at these fancy trail network here we got going here. And look at the students are coming. The students are coming. The students are coming. There we go. We got a red, blue, yellow trail here, and then later on further up we got an orange, black, and purple. And Josie and I have done the purple before. Well, here we are. It's only 4:30 and we're all ready in camp. We're all set up. I'll give you a tour of my home. So there you are. There's my camp bed. I'm sort of using my pack as a to help me out with a pillow there. And tonight we're going to have beef stew for supper. And let's see how Kyle's doing over here. He's got his Super Hornet. And there he is, a happy camper. This is a Nemo Super Hornet 2P, 2-person. And look at that big honking thing. There you go, lots of room in there. Oodles, cozy. We're gonna have a good night tonight.
Yep.
Yes, sirree, Bob.